Hi parents, this is Ritu again, and today we are going to do some maths lessons for age 7 to 10 years. So I always prefer to give the age groups rather than the class. The reason being, it can vary from the knowledge of the kids that how much more they want to learn. So to start with, who is the father of mathematics? I always prefer to give kids an additional knowledge in regards to with the father, so they have a understanding that what's the father or what does that mean to be a father. So in terms of inventing or in terms of introducing something, so they can think on a broader perspective as well. So Archimedes is the father of mathematics. Then I prefer to explain each and everything in terms of definitions, even though it's maths, and sometimes everybody don't like to know the explanations regarding that, but I always prefer to give them the explanations of everything in the language they can understand it better. Like for digits and numbers, so what is a digit? Basically, a digit is which represents numbers, that is called as a digit. So 2 4 5 is a digit, right? It is combinations of the different numbers in it. Now what is a numeral? So it's a group of digits, right? So it's a group of digits which is representing, then we call it as a numeral. What are number names or numerations? So if we are writing 10, we just write it 10, or if we are writing 245, that's how we just make kids understand these kind of things in better way. Whole number, the numbers which are starting from 0 1 2 3 until the counting goes, they are called whole numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers that starts from 1 2 3 4, and then it goes on until we stop. And then even numbers and odd numbers. So whole numbers and natural numbers are always important to be introduced in early ages, so that the knowledge of the integers gets a bit better, because we are talking in terms of the actual thing. Even numbers and odd numbers, again, the numbers that are divisible by 2, numbers that leave one after the other, they understand it when they learn the skip counting really well. If they know the times 2s, you can say the times 2s of which are divisible by 2 as they grow up, and we just show them different numbers in there. Similarly, the odd way, which are not even, or which are not in pairs, or which are not divisible by 2, so we just represent it that way to the kids, and that really increases their and boosts their moral when they are doing the things independently, and listening to that term repeatedly makes them learn better. The increasing and decreasing orders, or the alligator sign, is what they learn in previous classes. So we can just suppose it's, so we are going from smallest digit to the largest, and similarly decreasing, we write the largest first and then we write the smallest. So it's the other way around basically. Then we call it as a decreasing, so last number will come in the end. And there are different ways, every kid is different, they understand it in different way. You can use couple of examples, give them some examples, relate them to the plans, relate them to the to your life and stuff like that. After, before, in between, they usually, most of the kids are aware at this age, but if they are not, we can always explain them that what comes after 34, what comes before 40, and we can always tell them what comes between 31 and 33. So this is like kind of like a basic. We tell them place value chart. There are two different types of a place value chart that usually exist. One is an Indian place value chart, another is an international place value chart. I'll be referring to international place value chart first, and probably I'm going to give you a separate lessons on the place value charts to make it more clear. But the international place value charts starts from ones, tens, hundreds. That makes one group which is called as a unit group. So the and then comes the 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, like that, so on and forth. This is 1,000 groups and this is million group, and that makes things easy. Why do we put comma after that? Indian place value charts differ a bit, the largest digits and the smallest digits. So suppose we are taking a 5-digit example, largest 5 digits will be 9999 and smallest 5 digits will be 1, 2 ones rounded by 4 zeros. Then we call 5 digits. Like that we keep on making different kind of digits. So this is one of the key things that every kid should be aware of. Then we will take on different lessons on addition, subtractions and stuff like that. I hope you like this video and it will help you to teach your kids the basics, or probably if you're a kid and you're watching it. Thanks so much for watching. Wish you a happy studying. Thanks for watching my video and do subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.